In the kingdom of JavaScript, data was chaotic, wandering variables, wild values. But then, an ancient weapon emerged to bring order: the array. A mighty structure to summon warriors, organized, index-trained, and ready for battle. An array is like a scroll that holds the names of your champions. Each warrior positioned by index starts from 0. Aragorn leads. At 0, Legolas aims at 1, and Gimli grunts at 2. Need reinforcements? Call push. Boom! Gandalf joins the ranks at the end. But when the time comes to let a hero go, pop function removes the last warrior from the front line. Gandalf departs, mysteriously. As always, want to deploy a stealth hobbit behind Aragorn? Use splice function to insert, or replace a warrior mid-battle. It's all in your strategy. Use map function to transform your army. Grant them titles. Now they are no longer mere names, they are legends. Send a stealth squad. Use filter function to pick warriors who meet your exact criteria. The elf moves alone. And when the scroll unrolls, each name is read aloud. A final salute to every warrior in your array. Arrays are more than just lists. They are dynamic, agile, expandable armies of data, ready for any quest. Master them, and your code becomes legend. If you survived the array wars and want more epic coding quests, hit like, comment your favorite method, and subscribe to join the Dev Guild. More adventures await.